Hello, Assalamualaikum. Today I want to show you how to do the computation involve the addition of the two number in base 2. Okay, for example, I give you 101 base 2 plus with 10 base 2. Okay, so now before we proceed with this one, I want to explain you about this. Okay, if 0, if you see only one number 1, mean is 1. If you see two number 1, it mean 10. If you see three numbers 1, it mean 11. If you see four number 1 there, that mean is a 100. Okay, let's say 1 plus 0, so only one number 1, only one here. Okay, so that means is 1. Okay, so 0 plus 1 is only 1 also, so that means 1. Here also 1, so that means is a 111 base 2. Okay, let's try again. Okay, so let's say I give you 11111 base 2 plus with 110 base 2. Okay, so 1 plus 0 only 1, so 1. Okay, 1 plus 1, that means 2, right? The answer is 10. Okay, so 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3 number 1s here, that means 11. Okay, 1 plus 1, got 2 here, so 10. So 1 plus 1 means 10, because 2 number 1 here. So the answer is 10101 base 2. Okay, let's try again. Let's say I give you 101011 base 2 plus with 11101 base 2. Okay, now we check here. We have two number 1s here, 1, 2. So that the answer is 10. So we put 0 here, 1 here. So 1 plus 1, 2 again. The answer is 10. So only 1 here, so we put 1. So 1 plus 1, 10. So again, 1 plus 1 is 10. So we have 3 number 1 here, so the answer here is 11. Alright, okay, let's try again. Okay, let's say I give you 11011 base 2 plus 111 base 2. Okay, so 1 plus 1, 10, because we have 2 number 1 here. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, that means 11. Okay, so 1 plus 1 plus 1, we have 3 number 1, so that means 11. So 1 plus 0, that means 1. Here, just copy back. Okay, so the answer is 11110 base 2. Alright, okay. Now, we do one more. Let's say I give you 11001 base 2 plus 100 base 2. Okay, 1 plus 0 means 1, 0, 0, 0. 0 plus 1 means 1, 0. here, just copy back. Okay, so our answer now is 110,101 base 2. Okay, now we try. Okay, let's say I give you 110,101 base 2 plus, okay, so I put here let's say, okay, 11011 base 2. Now, okay, how many number 1 here? 2, so the answer will be 10. Okay, right, 1 plus 1, so that means 2 number 1 here, 10 again. So 1 plus 1, again 2 number 0, 2 number 1, so that means 10. Okay, again 10, 10 again, so 1 plus 1 again 10, so again 10. So now this is our answer. So that means it's 1000000 base 2. Okay, all right, now try next question. Okay, so I give you here is 11111 base 2 plus with 10110 base 2. Now 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, 1 plus 1, 10, because we have 2 number 1s here. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, we have 3 number 1s, so the answer will be 11. 1 plus 1, 10. 1 plus 1 plus 1, we have 3 number 1s, so 11, 10. So the answer is 1010101 base 2. Easy. Okay, we try again. Just follow this. Okay, just follow this one I give you. So let's say I give you 110,010 base 2 plus 11111 base 2. Now 0 plus 1, we have only number 1 here, 1, so the answer will be 1. Okay, 1 plus 1, we have 2 number 1, so that means 10. Again we have 2 number 1, so the answer is 10. 10 also here because 2, see. Okay, now we have 3, 1 2 3, so when you have 3 number 1s, the answer will be 11. 11, so again 11, so the answer will be 111,001 base 2. All right, okay, again today I just want to show you how to do addition. Next video I will show you how to do the subtraction. Okay, let's say I give you 1001001 base 2 plus with 11100 base 2. Okay, wait, it's not center. Okay, let's say I give you 11100 base 2. Okay, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0, 0. 1 plus 1, we have 2 number 1s, that means 10. Again 2 number 1, that means 10 again. Okay, 1 plus 1 again 10, right? So 10. So your answer will be 1000001 base 2. All right, okay. Okay, next we try. How about I give you 1110101 base 2 plus with 10101 1, 0 base 2. Okay, 1 plus 0, 1. 0 plus 1, 1 again. 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, 0 plus 1, 1 again. 1. So 1 plus 1, we have two number 1 here. So that means the answer is 10. So here again, 10. So our answer now is 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 base 2. Easy? Okay. How about if I give you 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 base 2 plus with 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 base 2. Okay. So we have two number 1s, that means 10. Okay. 10. So we have three number 1, that means 11. Again, three numbers, 11 again. Three number 1s, 11 again. Three number 1, 11 again. Three number 1s, 11 again. And three number 1s, 11 again. Three number 1s, the answer will be 11, see? So the answer will be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, base 2. Okay? Okay, I hope you understand how to do the addition for the number base 2. Okay, number in base 2. Okay, I hope you understand. You only use this, just follow this. Okay, this formula. Inshallah, you can answer all the questions. For computation involve the addition of two numbers in base 2. Okay, I will do the subtraction for the next video, inshallah. Don't forget to subscribe. Assalamualaikum.